meron pong nauusong diet ngayon, gamit po ang pinagalo-halong katas ng gulay at prutas. Bukod sa pampapapayat, may iba raw benepisyo sa kalusugan ang tinatawag na juicing diet. Nakatutok si Isay Reyes.
Pipino, spinach, celery stalks, lemon, luya at green apple. Hindi ito mga sangkap ng isang putahe dahil ang mga prutas at gulay na yan ang ginagamit sa paggawa ng green juice. Hindi yan pangkaraniwang juice dahil isa lang yung klase sa nauusong pampapayat ngayon na kung tawagin ay juicing diet.
You juice only fresh, not canned or processed, fresh fruits and vegetables. And the juicing diet has many purposes. Pwede pang detox, pang weight loss, or pwede rin para lang to feel good.
Karaniwang ginagawa ang juicing diet sa loob ng 3 hanggang 5 araw.
3 to 5 days when you only rely on the juice diet, you don't take any solids because that's the time when you do detoxification. But if you eat, I recommend a juice diet as a supplement for every day. You can take it in the morning, then also for your snacks, for your lunch, instead of taking a soda.
Ang sexy actress na si Ellen Adarna, November last year nagsimulang uminom ng juice bilang food supplement. Maganda raw ang epekto nito sa kanyang kalusugan, maging sa kanyang kutis.
So this one is my red juice. It's beetroot, carrot, pineapple, ginger. And then this one's my green juice. I drink it all day. Mix and match kasi nakakasawa if it's just one.
At imbes na bumili, si Ellen na mismo ang gumagawa ng sarili niyang juice.
If I order it online, it's like for 3 days, you spend 7,000, which is ridiculous. And if I just make it on my own, 1.5 is good for 4 days, 5 days. So
It's very basic. You just need a blender or a juicer. In the blender, you keep the fiber. In a juicer, it's parang easier to absorb because you take out the fiber.
Payo lang ng food nutritionist, mas mainam pa rin sabayan ng balanseng pagkain at ehersisyo ang diet na ito.
Happy juicing!
Isay Reyes, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.